Never reuse passwords. Passwords are best used when assigned to one access point only. When logging into your bank account, social medias, emails, and so on. Unfortunately, reusing passwords for multiple purposes or having one password for several accounts is still a prevailing trend in 2023. When attempting to gain unauthorized access, one of the first things hackers check is if you are reusing passwords across multiple platforms and services. Make sure you're not using only one password for all your logins, even if that password seems super strong and uncrackable. Avoid storing your passwords in easily accessible locations. Never write your login information on a post-it note and slide it under your keyboard at work. It might seem simple at first, but being careful where your passwords are stored, both physically but also digitally, can go a long way. You should not keep physical copies of your passwords, or if you absolutely have to, store them behind a locking key. Also, be mindful when storing passwords in files on your computer. Do not store these files on a USB that can easily be lost or stolen. Think passphrase, not password. When we say password, we usually think of a more or less complicated sequence of numbers and letters designed to be hard to guess. However, there is another way in which passwords can be designed, by using more than one word in a single password, combined with special characters and numbers. This passphrase can be very long, and chances are, if it's a phrase you're really familiar with, you won't have issues remembering it. Fair warning though, not every platform or service allows for super long passwords, so check your password policy before updating your login information. Consider using password managers and authentication apps. Does it all seem too much or a tad excessive to you? Don't worry, there is a sort of a workaround using password managers and/or authentication apps. These methods can replace the need for constantly reinventing passwords for multiple accounts. Password managers, for example, keep all your login information within. All you need to remember is one super hard master password to access the password manager.